Hello, good morning, my dear students of grade 7. How are you all? I hope you all are quite well and waiting for my video to come now. Am I right? Okay. If yes, then it's okay. If no, then I'm sad. Why you are not waiting for my videos? You have to wait for my videos because many of you have told me that English is your favorite subject, and if English is your favorite subject, then you must wait for my videos when videos will come and when you will study. So that was just a joke. Okay, let's come to the point. Dear students, my dear class, today we will study the lesson number 7 of our book Honeycomb, our reader book Honeycomb, and we will read the lesson. We will start the lesson, The Invention of Vita Wonk. The Invention of Vita Wonk is a very interesting chapter written by Roald Dahl. In fact, it has been taken from a novel written by him, Charlie and the Great Glass Elevator. This lesson has been taken from his novel Charlie and the Great Glass Elevator. Apart from this, Roald Dahl had written so many books for children, and those books are very popular and famous among children. Charlie and the Chocolate Factory is the novel written by him, is very famous among you people, among children, and a movie is also created based on this novel. So I just suggest you to watch that movie, Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. So now see, what is Vita Wonk? Vita Wonk is a kind of medicine. Vita Wonk is a kind of medicine or a tonic which is prepared to grow people older, which is invent to grow people older. So let's begin with the introduction. Before you read, you must read this introduction. Who are the oldest people you know? What are the oldest things you have in your house, in your city, town or village? How old are they? If they are old, then how old are they? Have you ever wished that you were older? Have you wished that you could grow up in a hurry? Have you ever wished these two wish ever? Okay, just try to find out the answers of these two questions, okay? Now, the invention of Vita Wonk. Invention means आविष्कार. कोई चीज़ को सामने लेके आना, उसको बनाना. So, Vita Wonk is the name of the invention. So, let's read the story behind this. Mr. Willy Wonka begins by inventing Wonka White. First, he has invented Wonka White. This is Vita Wonk, and before this Vita Wonk, he has invented Wonka White, which makes people younger. This invention, Vita Wonk, makes people older, but before this invention, he has made one more invention, and that invention was Wonka White, which makes people younger. But Wonka White is too strong. Too strong means कहते हैं ना दवाई बहुत तेज है. So that Wonka White is too. So some people disappear because their age becomes minus. One person actually becomes minus 87, which means he has got to wait 87 years before he can come back. So by taking that strong medicine, and that medicine was Wonka White, which makes people younger. आपको छोटा बना देते थे अपनी उम्र के हिसाब से. और वो that medicine was so strong that some people disappear. दिखना ही बंद हो गए. वो visible ही नहीं थे. They were totally disappear. और उनकी एज बिकम्स माइनस, उनकी उम्र माइनस में चली गई थी. वन पर्सन एक्चुअली बिकम्स माइनस 87, और एक आदमी तो माइनस 87 हो गया. उसको 87 ईयर्स अब वेट करना था दोबारा नज़र आने के लिए. जस्ट सी हाउ स्ट्रॉन्ग दैट मेडिसिन वॉज, कि एक व्यक्ति की उम्र 87 माइनस 87 हो गई थी. सो दैट फॉर उससे अगले 87 सालों तक दूसरों को दिखाने के लिए, दूसरे उसको देख सकें के लिए 87 years he has to wait. Now what before next what Mr. Willy Wonka has to do. Mr. Willy Wonka must invent a new thing. Now Mr. Willy Wonka has to invent a new thing which makes people older. मीन्स कि पहले उसने दवाई बनाई वोंका वाइट जो लोगों को ओल्डर बनाता था न सॉरी यंगर बनाता था. यंगर मीन्स छोटा बना देता था अपनी उम्र से. अब उसने वो दवाई इतनी स्ट्रांग थी कि लोगों की एज माइनस में चली गई. अब उसे अपनी उस दवाई को जस्ट टू इम्प्रूव दैट इन्वेंशन ही हैज़ टू मेक अ न्यू मेडिसिन विच मेक्स पीपल ग्रो ओल्डर. कि जो पहले छोटे बनते थे अब वो बूढ़े बनने लगे इन जल्दी में. सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द इन्वेंशन ऑफ वीटा वोंक. टुडे वी विल डू दिस पेज ओनली. In tomorrow video we will cover the rest of the part 1 and comprehension check and part 2. Okay. Mr. Wonka said, so once again I rolled up my sleeves and set to work. Now Mr. Wonka ने कहा once again I have to roll up my sleeves. Rolled up means just when you roll up your sleeves upwards and start new work. Once again I squeezed my brain searching for the new recipe I had to create age to make people old, older, oldest. Haha. Now Mr. Wonka again squeezed his brain. उन्होंने अपने दिमाग का सारा निचोड़ निकाला. And searching for the new recipe and tries to find out the new recipe which create people older. जो लोगों को बूढ़ा बना सके. Recipe means instructions for making something. So what recipe he has to make? He has to make a new recipe which makes people older. I cried. For now, the ideas were beginning to come. Now the new ideas are starting to come in his brain. What is the oldest living thing in the world? So he guessed. उसने सोचा कि सबसे oldest चीज world में क्या हो सकती है. What is the oldest thing in the living thing in the world? What lives longer than anything else? And what is the thing which lives longer than anything else? Now he is planning for the ingredients for his recipe. You know, your mother is always trying to make a new recipe at home just to entertain her family or her children or her husband. I do usually this thing at home. I just want to make my family happy. I always try to make new recipes. And for when I make new thing or new आइटम एट होम, कोई नई चीज़ बनाती हूँ घर में, तो मुझे उसमें इंग्रेडिएंट्स चाहिए होते हैं, मसाला चाहिए होता है, उसमें क्या क्या डलेगा. सो हेयर लाइक दैट ऑल्सो व्हेन मिस्टर विली started thinking for the invention of Vita Wonk, he started thinking of the ingredients for this invention. So we will discuss what he will find in searching for making this Vita Wonk. So this is all for today's video. One thing I here tell you that you all have to put a comment in the comment section after watching this video, like nice ma'am, good explanation, needs to be repeated, or anything else like that. I have noticed that only 27 or 28 views were there and only 9 or 10 comments were there. This is not good. You all have to watch the video on regular basis and you have to put comment also. Okay, so what you have to do in your notebook now, you have to prepare an activity based on this chapter and note down the word meanings. Okay, thank you students and have a great day.